Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Aussie Safira and I'm from Electromedical Engineering. Today I want to explain you about how to operate or how to use a multimeter analog. No one can use it well, but as a technician, we have to know that this is the most important thing we have to know as well. Okay, let's check it out. A multimeter is an instrument used to check for AC or DC voltage, resistance, and the current. This instrument will let you check to see if there's voltage present on a circuit. Okay, first of all, this is mine. We have to know that there's a knob or selector because there's many selector of here's like resistance, AC voltage, DC voltage, and the current. We have to know that we have to know that there's a hole in here and 3 holes in here, but I usually use 2 holes, this one and this one. This is a negative com and this is a positive. And then put the negative com for the black probe over here and then the red probe over here. So as you know that in the back of multimeter there's a battery and fuse. The fuse is provided to help protect the meter movement, or as we know that short circuit can break this multimeter if there's no fuse over here. Sorry, I can't open it because I have no obeng. I don't know what's obeng in English, but yeah. And then we should have to know where's the zero adjustment, and this is can rotate. Yeah, this is adjustment zero adjustment. Now, and for the example, I will tell you about how to measuring resistance with multimeter analog. First of all, we should rotate the selector in the resistance. This is resistance. This is for resistance. After you select the range of resistance, we have to zero the multimeter because it will help us to get clearly reading. And I usually use a 1 times selector in here. And before we use it, we should adjustment. Okay, hold the probes together and then zero the until you got a 0. Okay, it's already used, and then I will check this cable, is it good or not. Put over here, and then join it to like this. After that, you see that the pointer is back to 0, as we know that if we not put the cable over here, the another probe, the pointer is back to the ready position. If we pull the cable over here, so it will be on 0 position, and the indicator will light. It means that this cable is good to use. And if we have to know how to measure a resistor, we should a selector that we can read it clearly, and then I choose a 1000 range over here, and don't forget the 0 adjustment. Okay, I already adjustment, and then I stick the resistor over here, and another one. Oh, as we see that the pointer is showed as on 12. Yeah, almost 12, almost 11 maybe, almost 11. Oh, almost 12 scale, and then times with 1000, and the result of resistor is 12,000. And then if we have to know that the battery is already full or not, we can use a one selector, and then forget to adjustment. If we can adjustment until 0, it means that this battery on multimeter is already to use or is full. But if the pointer is not point to 0, maybe the pointer on here, and the knob is full rotate, it means that the battery is weak, and we should change the batteries with the new one. Okay, maybe that's all that I can explain to you about how to use a multimeter analog. Thank you for your attention, and I'm sorry if I have a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.